Well, folks, let me tell you, I think this is one of the most beautiful bows I ever made. And this is for the red tree. And for this tree, I'm actually going to do it the way that Lisa's World showed, by making two of these bows and putting them back to back on the tree. This one I did by hand and no twisting, much easier. A little tough to hold it towards the end, but not bad at all. So let's get busy and make the second one. I'll just set this over here. I have already cut the ribbon, and what I'm going to do is just move this so you can just see the measurements a little bit. I'm going to start with the 14 inches. Well, first I'm going to pinch a little bit here, about 3 inches. Okay. Then I'm going to start at 14 inches here and pinch and bring it together. I'm holding it between my thumb and my next finger. Okay. Now I'm going to just bring this out again. Put this hand at 14 inches. Bring this down to the beginning. Pinch it up, and I'm going to come up this way and go in my fingers. So there I have one going up, one going down, and I haven't twisted at all. So now we'll just continue. Remember, there's 4 at 14, which is a 7-inch loop. Let them down, pinch it up. Make my loop. You have to kind of fix your ribbon a little bit sometimes. $14. Pinch it up. Bring it around the back. Oh, I got that one twisted. Hold on. There we go. I have 2. I don't know if you can really see me getting that measurement or not. Okay. I'm putting my fingers right here at the 14. I'm going down to the 1 or the 0 and pinching it. And I'm going to, now sometimes you have to kind of pop it up there. And you want to make sure you keep your ribbon straight. Okay. 14. Go under. This gold ribbon likes to twist on itself, so I had the same problem with the blue ribbon in the blue bow. And I think this is the same ribbon, only in gold. So we have to keep working at that gold. So I have 3. I need 1 more at the 14. Get in there. A little chin never hurt. Okay. Get that gold ribbon again. There I have 4 and 4. Now I'm going to do 3 and 3, and I'm going to measure from 13. 1, 1. I will never get the glitter off of me or off the room. 2, 2, 3. This doesn't want to twist. There we go. That one inside. Nope, don't like the way that one is. There we go. 3. And 3. Getting to be a handful. Now I'm going to do 2 and 2 from the 12. It really wants to give me a hard time here. Okay. 12. There we go. 12. 'I'm stepping on it, sorry. 12. Come on, baby. Here we go. One more here. And 12. And a little let's see now. And just a little center one, which is really just a little loop around. Let me get the ribbon straight. I am twisting for this last one. And I'm just going to put my thumb in there. Okay. Let me get my wire. I'm using 2 pieces. I'm coming through my little loop here, getting under my thumb. I'm coming around to the back and trying to get it as even as possible. And I'm going to pull and twist And what I'm going to do is take my pliers and see if I can just give this a couple of twists. I have a little extra here. Okay. Now, I'm just going to start at the bottom, and I'm going to pull them apart like we did before, going all the way around. That's just my piece I cut off. I'll trim that. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Now what you do is you take one of these wires underneath. If I can find them again. I see them. And I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to attach them. So now I have this one, and I have another one over here somewhere. Here we are. This one, it will go around the tree and lock together for a great big tree bow. Is that something else, huh? Beautiful. Look at that. Okay, so we're going to go put it on the tree. Be back in a few. Well, here you are. Here's the living room tree in the red and golds. I'll get in a little closer and we'll take a look at that bow. Look at that. Gorgeous. Simply gorgeous. And this has the red poinsettias that I also got from Walmart last year. But like I mentioned, I believe they have them again this year. I'm just going around the corner a little ways so I'm not fighting the window the whole time here. And you can see the little areas of red and gold and shininess. Very traditional. And Chelsea has a Christmas present under the tree. I stuck it under there because sometimes when the tree is lit, she'll get in underneath and lay down because of the warmth from the lights. So I said, well, I'll put this under. She hasn't got in it yet. She'd rather lay in a box or a piece of paper. So there you go. There's bow number 2. Right out of a showroom. Beautiful, beautiful bow. And we made it ourselves. I'm impressed. So that's all I have for you today. Just another little short video, and I hope you enjoyed using the easy bow for the first bow, but I think this bow was 100 times easier to make making it by hand. So everybody enjoy, get your ribbons out, and start making some bows. And I'll see you again on Friday. Everybody play nice now. Bye-bye.